Good morning, everyone. My name is Sochihan from Awungshi. I'll be representing Higher Secondary School. Today, the topic on which I'll be speaking on is quantum age begins, its potentials and challenges. Now, in this rapidly advancing world that we live in, there have been many eras that have revolutionized and left marks in it. But the era that looms on us right now is one of the most important, and that is the quantum age. Now, what exactly is the quantum age? Quantum age is an era that is driven by quantum mechanics. A branch of physics that studies the atoms and subatomic particles in a smaller scale. Now, before we start this journey, I would like to say that we must first understand the potentials and challenges that follow quantum age when it begins. Firstly, let's talk about the potentials. Through the coming of the quantum age, we first have the benefit of quantum computing. Quantum computing is a new concept of computing that involves using the principles of quantum mechanics to perform calculations of high complexity that would, in a matter of seconds, that would normally take supercomputers long periods of time. Secondly, we have quantum communication. Quantum communication, by incorporating quantum mechanics into communication, we can have very ultra-secure data transfer by using quantum encryptions created using quantum computers, which are nearly impossible to hack. Thirdly, medical advances. In the field of medicine, we are able to incorporate quantum computers so that we may be able to analyze different kinds of diseases and different kinds of chemicals in such a way that we'll be able to find diseases in a matter of months. It may take years, but we can find very quickly compared to supercomputers, which can lead to breakthroughs in medical sciences. And by incorporating quantum computers into the medical field, we can also find new techniques in which we can examine patients so that we may have a better understanding of what the disease may be if it has similarities to many kinds of diseases. Thirdly, climate change. By incorporating the principles of quantum computing, we will be able to analyze all kinds of materials and new techniques so that we may be able to find the best one for battling climate change, and also new kinds of resources that are environment friendly. Fifth, improvement in AI. By incorporating quantum computing, we can boost the speed at which an AI learns and makes a decision. And we can also, by incorporating quantum communication into it, we can also find new ways of improving AI. Now, just as every decision we make has benefits and problems, just like that, coming of the quantum age brings some challenges. Firstly, technical barriers. For quantum computers to function properly, we require a very cold and extremely stable environment, which is very difficult to maintain. Due to this, the practicality of quantum computers is very hard. Secondly, security threats and risk. It is in the opinion of the people that if quantum computers are fully developed, then it will lead to, if they fall into wrong hands, then it will lead to the total destruction of our current encryptions, as they are not secure enough to combat against quantum computers. And due to this, there have been divisions of opinions among people of whether they should help in the development of quantum computers or not. Thirdly, it is highly expensive, due to the reason that the research on it is only at its early stage. We are having problems of incomplete research, and due to this, we are unable to create a good enough. We have to research the given materials over and over again to find new ones, which costs extreme amount of money. Thirdly, lack of skilled workforce. Due to the reason that it is confined to a small amount of people, and due to the reason that there is lack of materials to study, it is difficult for us to produce produce a skilled workforce that is able to combat and research the quantum age and lead us to it. Lastly, ethical concerns. In our places, if quantum computers are fully developed, then the difference between developing and undeveloped countries will widen, giving an advantage to developed countries. So in my conclusion, what I want to say is that the quantum age is coming, and we should try to understand how it works. By investing in research and development, we will be able to find new ways in which we can improve on the quantum age, and also by collaboration among ourselves and other countries, we'll be able to develop it. So, the quantum age is close, so we should all try to embrace it and try to use it in a good sense. Thank you.
Okay.